Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fast and Fun English.
Hi, friends. I'm Leo, and I'm here with my partner in crime, Anna.
Always a dramatic start, Leo.
You know me, I like to keep it fun. So, Anna, today's topic is one that every English learner asks about.
Oh, I know what you mean. Understanding English without subtitles.
Exactly. That's the dream, right? Watching movies, listening to podcasts, or chatting with native speakers, and understanding everything naturally.
And today, we'll show you one simple trick that can help you get closer to that goal.
It's not magic, but it feels like magic when it starts working.
You're right. And we'll explain why subtitles sometimes hurt your listening instead of helping.
Plus, we'll give you real practice ideas you can try today.
So, get comfortable, open your ears, and let's start.
Okay, let's be honest. I love subtitles.
Me too. They help when you don't understand everything. But here's the problem. If you always read subtitles, your brain stops listening.
Ah, yes, I've noticed that. I end up reading instead of hearing.
Exactly. Your eyes work harder than your ears.
So when the subtitles disappear, boom, I understand nothing.
That's because your brain never learned to connect English sounds with meaning.
Wow, that's so true. I only connected written words with meaning.
Yes. So, our goal is to train your ears to understand English sounds naturally without reading.
Okay, I'm ready. What's the trick?
Here it is. Listen with lazy understanding.
Lazy understanding? That sounds lazy.
It's not about being lazy. It's about relaxing your brain while you listen.
Explain that.
Most learners try too hard to understand every word. They stop the video, rewind, look at the subtitles, get frustrated.
That's me.
But native speakers don't understand every word either. They focus on the idea, not the details.
Oh, so lazy understanding means listening for the meaning, not the perfect words.
Exactly. You don't need 100% understanding. 60 to 70% is enough.
That makes it less stressful.
Yes, because when your brain relaxes, your ears start catching the rhythm, the tone, and the flow of English.
So the simple trick is stop trying to understand everything and start listening for the feeling and the flow.
That's right.
Okay, that sounds great. But how do I actually train my ears to do that?
Let's do it step by step.
Awesome.
Step 1, choose short audio, maybe a 1 to 2 minute clip from YouTube or a short podcast.
Not a full movie, right?
No, keep it short, something you can repeat easily.
Okay.
Step 2, listen once without subtitles. Don't pause, don't stop. Just relax and listen.
Even if I understand nothing?
Yes, the first time is just to feel the rhythm of English.
Got it.
Step 3, listen again, but now with subtitles or transcript.
Ah, now I can check what I missed.
Exactly. You'll notice some words sound different than you thought.
Oh, like want to sounds like wanna.
Perfect example. Or going to becomes gonna.
So the subtitles help me see the real words, but I'm still focused on sound.
Right. Step 4, listen again without subtitles and see how much more you understand now.
That's the fun part. You can actually feel your progress.
Yes, that's ear training, just like how musicians train to hear notes.
So repeat this every day for a few minutes, and your brain will start recognizing English sounds naturally.
Exactly. It's not about studying more, it's about listening smarter.
Let's show an example.
Sure, let's pretend we're watching a clip from Friends.
Perfect.
In the scene, Rachel says, "I'm gonna grab some coffee."
Okay, I read that, but when I listen, I hear, I'm gonna grab some coffee.
Right. Faster, connected, smoother.
If I only read subtitles, I'd never realize how grab some sounds like grab some.
Exactly. That's why we listen first to hear the real English.
then check with subtitles later to connect the sounds and words.
Yes, that's the trick.
So it's listen, check, listen again.
Right. And after a few weeks, you'll notice something amazing.
What?
You'll start understanding English automatically, even when you don't have subtitles.
That's the dream.
Let's talk about why this trick works so well.
Okay.
When you repeat the same audio several times, your brain starts to predict sounds.
Like when you listen to a song many times, you start singing along.
Exactly. That's how your brain learns English rhythm and sound patterns.
So repetition isn't boring, it's powerful.
Yes, repetition builds confidence and automatic understanding.
I like that. Repetition equals confidence.
Repeat after me. Repetition builds confidence.
Repetition builds confidence.
Nice.
I heard something called shadowing. Does that help too?
Oh yes, that's another secret weapon.
What is it exactly?
Shadowing means you listen and speak at the same time, like an echo.
Oh, so if I hear, I'm gonna grab some coffee, I say it immediately after?
Exactly. Try it.
I'm gonna grab some coffee.
Perfect. That helps your mouth match what your ears hear.
So I train both listening and speaking.
Yes, and your pronunciation improves too.
That's awesome. I'll use that for my next Netflix show.
Just be careful not to scare your neighbors by talking to the screen.
No promises.
Now, let's talk about what not to do.
Good idea.
Mistake number 1, watching full movies with subtitles from start to end.
That's me again.
We all do it, but it's not efficient for listening practice.
Because it's too long and I depend on reading.
Exactly. Mistake number 2, trying to understand every single word.
That causes stress.
Right. The goal is understanding the message.
And mistake number 3?
Not repeating enough. Learners listen once, say, I don't understand, and give up.
But real progress comes from listening again and again.
Exactly. That's how children learn their first language, repetition without subtitles.
True. Babies never read subtitles.
Exactly.
Wait, can ChatGPT help with this too?
Of course. You can use it to create listening and speaking practice.
How?
Try this prompt. ChatGPT, write a short 1-minute dialogue about ordering food. I'll use it for listening practice.
Then you can copy that text, put it in a text-to-speech app, and listen to it.
Exactly.
What about checking my understanding?
You can ask, ChatGPT, give me 3 comprehension questions about that dialogue.
So it becomes your personal listening teacher?
Yes, available anytime, anywhere.
Repeat after me. I can train my ears every day.
I can train my ears every day.
Let's make a small plan for learners.
Okay, like a 10-minute daily routine?
Exactly.
1 minute. Choose a short clip, 1 to 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Listen without subtitles. 3 minutes. Listen with subtitles or transcript. 2 minutes. Listen again without subtitles. 2 minutes. Shadow and speak along.
That's simple and powerful.
Yes, do it daily for 2 to 3 weeks and you'll notice big improvement.
And it only takes 10 minutes.
Right, no excuses.
Anna, I have a confession. Sometimes I feel stupid when I can't understand English movies.
Oh, Leo, don't feel that way. Everyone starts there.
Even you?
Of course. When I first learned English, I watched movies and only caught a few words.
So what did you do?
I stopped judging myself and started enjoying the sound of English.
That's beautiful.
The moment you stop being angry at yourself, your brain opens up.
So the trick isn't just about listening, it's about patience.
Exactly. Understanding takes time. Be kind to yourself.
Repeat after me. I'm learning, not failing.
I'm learning, not failing.
Okay, one more question. When should I stop using subtitles completely?
Good one. I recommend a step-by-step approach.
Tell me.
Step 1. Use subtitles in your own language, only in the beginning. Step 2. Switch to English subtitles. Step 3. Watch without subtitles, but only short clips. Step 4. Gradually watch longer videos without them.
So, it's not all or nothing.
Exactly. Step by step.
That feels more doable.
Remember, progress is progress, even if it's slow.
All right. Let's summarize what we learned today.
Sure. Okay. Don't depend on subtitles. Listen first without reading. Focus on meaning, not perfection. Repeat short clips many times. Shadow and speak along.
And use ChatGPT to make your own practice materials.
Perfect summary.
You see, friends, understanding English without subtitles isn't impossible. It's just a skill, and skills come with practice.
So be patient, be consistent, and enjoy the process.
Repeat after me. I can understand English with my ears.
I can understand English with my ears.
Subtitles are my tool, not my crutch.
Subtitles are my tool, not my crutch.
That sounds like a great motto.
It is.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
Remember, every minute you listen in English is a step forward.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning.
Thanks for watching Fast and Fun English.
See you next time.
Bye.